National Food Institute, empowering the Thai food industry to the global market. National Food Institute was established by the concept of public and private sectors seeking an organization to be a backbone in the food industry development, as well as to solve problems and conquer any obstacles, as assigned to Thailand Development Research Institute, or TDRI, who was commissioned to do a research study that recommended the establishment for a new independent organization, which is to be a leader in the food industry development of Thailand in the form of institute. In the meantime, the Ministry of Industry had the concordant intention which proposed the National Food Institute project to the Cabinet. The Cabinet approved and agreed to establish the Institute on October 15, 1996, in the form of network organization under Industrial Development Foundation, Ministry of Industry, to promote and develop Thailand's food industry for higher potential and competitiveness in the global market. Visions. The vision of the National Food Institute is to become the leading organization in promoting value creation within the Thai food industrial sector and to gain national and international acceptance for their services. Mission: to provide academic, technical, knowledge and update information that can enhance food research and development within the government and the private sectors, so as to boost the competitiveness of the food industry. Mandates: 1. To provide research in line with the national policy of enhancing competitiveness that simultaneously caters to the needs of the relevant government and private sectors. 2. To coordinate with the relevant government and private sectors in providing information, advice, and in formulating new strategic interventions to address food industry problems, as well as empower the country's food industry. 3. To serve as a knowledge center that collects, manages, analyzes, synthesizes, and disseminates relevant food industry information. 4. To provide and facilitate support services to the food industry, including the provision of technical information, training and technological services, facilitation and conduct of research and development work, and other services that are in line with the mandate of the Institute. 5. To provide the development of human resource for food industry staff, so as to raise the competitiveness of the food industry in general. NFI Service for Industrial Sector, 4S. Serve your strategy. Policy Research Service. Provide studies on policies, synthesize information on trade agreements, and publish relevant food industry information in general. Conduct risk assessment of food products so as to develop a proactive policy or strategy of minimizing any potential risk to consumers that food pose. Food Research Service. Support and strengthen value creation research on agricultural products to not only cater to the global demand for such food, but also for the benefits of the food industry. Information Analysis Service provides accountable and up-to-date information for dissemination, including academic research papers, requested documents, market research analysis, relevant Thai food industry information, and others, which are made available at its webpage at www.nfi.or.th and at the Food Intelligence Center, http://fic.nfi.or.th and other media. Serve your standard. System Consultancy Service. provides consultancy on quality system implementation for international standard certification such as GMP, HACCP, BRC, ISO 9001 version 2008, ISO 22000 version 2005, ISO/IEC 17025, and Clean Technology. Other services that are related to food factory can provide such as food establishment, pre-audit and pre-assessment service. Productivity service provides consultancy on green productivity or technological production efficiency that promotes environmental protection, which is used in implementing carbon footprint and water footprint guidelines for the food industry. Serve your specialist. Training service provides academic training to food industry covering technical and management issues and entrepreneurship. Short courses are offered in the form of public training or in-house training. Serve your safety. Proficiency testing services provides proficiency testing for a wide range of chemical and microbial in the scope of food and drinks products. Chemical laboratory testing service provides chemical test services for a wide range of chemicals including food chemical components, vitamins, food nutrient composition following the Thai or American nutrition labeling standards, minerals and heavy metals, microbiological toxins, contaminants, pesticide residues, and animal drug residues such as antibiotics and growth hormones. Microbiological laboratory testing provides microbiological tests for general foods and tests for GMOs following MOPH declaration. Thermal process tests provides thermal process tests for sealed aseptic packaging, temperature distribution and heat penetration tests for enclosed and sealed food packaging. Calibration service provides technical information in calibrating measurement tools by validation, measurement of uncertainty, and calibrating measurement tools following international standards such as weights, glasswares, and incubators. The NFI Laboratory is an ISO/IEC 17025 credited laboratory by the Department of Medical Sciences, the Ministry of Public Health, Department of Science Services, the Ministry of Science and Technology, an approved laboratory to issue a certificate of analysis that accepted in 19 countries. The NFI Laboratory also can issue a TISI-recognized certification of calibration following the ISO/IEC 17025 standard by the Thai Industrial Standards Institute, the Ministry of Industry. The department is divided into many sections such as chemical testing, microbiological testing, calibration, and proficiency testing. Risk Management Research Center on Food Safety. The center's mission is to conduct risk analysis research and to communicate its findings to the relevant food industrial sector to make them competitive. The results of its study will be based on science and technological facts to support development of safe food products. Technical findings will be published so that the pertinent government sectors could make use of that information in developing standards for use in the agricultural food industry and in food chain management. The information generated from this research can also be viewed as a powerful proactive tool to negotiate on trades, especially agricultural products, and to contest unreasonable restrictions imposed in the other trading zones. The Center for Risk Management Information caters to the needs of the food industry and aims at disseminating accurate, clear, timely, and easy to understand information to promote greater consumers' food safety awareness and protection. National Food Institute is one of the leading organizations that drive and develop the Thai food industry to the world standards, sustainable growth in the global market, promote Thailand as the main source of food in the world, and driving the industry to be Thai kitchen to the world kitchen.